All right, everyone. This is a Riverview one-bedroom suite or one king suite at the Conrad Downtown in New York City. So we just walked into the room. This is 11:30. There's a desk right here. Nice couch sitting area. First up, this is the bathroom. There's a toilet and a nice vanity. There's a little sink here. There's coffee machine. If you need water, there's a water system. I don't know. Oh, they give you these refillable cans that you can take with you. And then we have a nice shower here. Amenities. And then the clock. And lots of storage here. It says Riverview, but like half of Riverview. Okay, here we go.